Hello everyone and welcome back to this second session. For the first session, we have studied the blueprint lesson. Now it's time for all of us to look at the writing break 3 lesson. So this lesson, we are going to study the unit 6, which focus on the conjunctions. There are two main lesson points I would like to point out today. The first point is all about the review lesson that we have learned the type of conjunctions, which are subordinative conjunction and coordinative conjunctions. And in this video, we mainly pay our attention to the comma rules. When to use comma when we combine two clauses together using coordinative conjunction and subordinative conjunction. So let's jump on to our lesson point today. So conjunction. We have learned about the definitions of conjunction already. So conjunction are words that you can use to link phrase, clause, or you can link words together. Generally, people will study the two main type of conjunction, which is subordinating conjunction, or known as subordinator. So this conjunction, they join dependent clauses to independent clauses. And coordinating conjunction, also known as coordinator, this conjunction coordinate or join two or more sentences, which is the main clauses, words, or other part of speech which are the same syntactics, which are the same grammatical function. For the coordinative conjunction, we have an acronym to remember. We have the word fanboy, right? So F, A, N, B, O, Y, S. For fanboy, we have letter F, which stands for the word for, N stands for the word ends, and letter N stands for the word nor, B, but, O means or, Y which means yet, and S which means so. So from the previous video, I have discussed about the usage or the meaning of these fanboys already. But in this video, we will focus on the comma rule, when to use comma. So in this example, you will see the highlighted words, and these are their conjunctions. So for the first two, these are the coordinating conjunctions. Let's read the example. I was reading and my friend were playing games. Alright, so look at the meaning of the coordinating conjunction, which join two or more sentences. And the important things to keep in mind is that which are the same syntactics, which are the same structure. So if you look at the example here, I was reading, which is the subject verb structure, and my friend were playing game, also with the same structure, and it is also the same in past tense. Another example, I studied hard, but my classmates were lazy, right? Overall, for this coordinating conjunction, generally it links the equal ideas together. It can be the same idea or the contrast idea, right? As you can see, the first sentence is the same idea, and for the second example, it is the contradicts idea. However, if you look at the subordinating conjunction, we have the word because. They cancel the game because it rains, which means because it rains is dependent clause. It cannot stand alone as the sentence. That is why we need to use subordinating conjunctions to join this clause together. So if you pay close attention to this one, they cancel the game because it rained. There is no comma in this sentence. However, if you look at the last example, because it was raining last night, as you can see, we have the comma right here. it may not rain today. So for the comma rule to keep in mind, there are only two important rules to remember. First, a comma is usually used before a coordinating conjunction. So 99% use comma when you use fanboys to link two independent clauses together, right? If you link two sentences together, make sure to use comma when you use coordinating conjunctions. However, if you are using the subordinating conjunction, for example, the word because, although, all of these words, they need to use comma with a special case. So a comma is usually used when the dependent clause come at the beginning of the sentence, right? So the independent clause is this one, is come at the end of the sentence. And for the dependent clause, which refer to the clause that has the subordinating conjunction here. So when the subordinating conjunction begin the sentence, you need to use the comma. However, when the subordinating conjunction is at the end of the sentence, the comma is not needed, right? So it's easy to remember. Look at the example. So where the comma should be. First, I go to school, but my brother doesn't go to school. So actually, we have the word but, which is the coordinating conjunction. So as the rule stated, when we use coordinating conjunctions to link two independent clauses together, we need to use comma. Although I passed the exam, I am still not very happy. Here, the word although, which is the subordinating conjunction, and it comes at the beginning of the sentence. So this sentence or this clause should be end with comma. So although I passed the exam, which is the independent clause, and then you need to put comma right here. I am still not very happy. Last but not least, I want to stay here, so I asked my parents for 2-day free. So the word so is the coordinating conjunction, and you need to use comma right here. All right, everyone. So that's it for our second video lesson today, and I hope after you finish watching this video, you are able to decide where to put comma in your sentence when writing or using conjunctions. So that's it for today's lesson, everyone, and enjoy your time. Thank you.